Hello friends, this is SSB and in this video we will discuss about the stage 1 process. SSB, it is a 5-day process. 5-day process, and the process on day 1 will be the stage 1, and it is also called as screening test. Those who qualify this test will stay for the next 4 days, and those who disqualify will return the home in the evening. In the early morning, your stage 1 starts. In this day, you have 2 intelligence tests and followed by PP and DT. These 2 intelligence tests are called as OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating Test. One is verbal and other is non-verbal. There are some definite questions there. If on an average some boards have 150 questions in both the tests, 50 plus 50 non-verbal, 50 verbal, 50 non-verbal, having a time period of 30 minutes. You have 4 options, and if this test is MCQ, multiple choice questions are there. Verbal test contains questions from logical reasoning, blood relation, and all the other topics from reasoning like English alphabet, and you have the series and the arrange the word in the form of dictionary and alphabetic series, coding decoding questions, directions, ranking, sitting, Venn diagram, cube and dice, and analogy classifications. So after that, non-verbal test is you have some pictures and you can solve these tests easily. This is the OIR test, and after that you will be going through PP and DT. After intelligence test, it is the last task of the stage 1. In this task, a picture is shown to you for 30 seconds. And you have to write a story on it in the given sheet. In the answer sheet, you see a box and a word action. If your answer sheet is blank like that, you see a box like that, and a action is word is written here. You have to write the story here. You have to draw picture in the box and what happened in the action as a theme. Sometimes this word is here. You have to write the action here and start story from here. You have to draw picture in box and what happened in the story as a theme. The drawing of the picture in the box should be neat, clean, symmetrical, and well spaced to avoid overlapping of characters or numbers. If you see that in a picture is shown to you, you have seen 1 person, 2 person, 3 person. You will draw also here as explained by your psychologist. Show the object found in mid of the character or in front of character without naming it, and not on the sides or behind. A neat picture creates a good impression. Show the characters in the same location in which they are in the picture. In case the examiner wants you to show only one character, then draw the character giving Sam. A word is like that. Sam is there. Sex, age and mood. If he is male, then male. Age is as same as your age group, that is 19 to 22, like that. And mood is always positive. The number 1 should be given to the hero. The number 1, you will define that someone is my hero, that you can give any name, and please give modern names, don't give old name like that, and other numbers respectively, but based on activity. You will give first number to the hero and other on the side character not on the basis of sex but basis on their activity, what the action is you have seen in the picture. In case of a crowded picture, identify only 3 or 4 active and predominant characters. Remember, the aim of this PPDT is to assess your skill of writing and speaking. One thing is to remember that your writing and speaking skill, and not assessing your OLQs, which by virtue of being new and innocent you don't know. So don't try to show your OLQ in this. Being new and innocent, it is not necessary, but your writing and speaking skill must be good and fine. Therefore, you may write the story with a hero or heroine, irrespective of their sex, though probable to have a story with central character of same sex as yours. If you are male, then try to make a male hero. Or if you are female, then also try to make a female hero. Action should be brief, to the point, and self-explanatory. Word action is here, so try to make it very self-explanatory and only one line that thing. We will discuss about some stories in the test, psychological test TAT. You can also prepare for these stories from the TAT. Use the words based on the picture shown to us. I would like to share my story. After this writing, you will go divide into groups, or 10 to 15 persons in your group are there, and you will be sitting just like that in semicircle, and your board members are here, board members, candidates. So first person starts, then so you have to use your narration, you have to narrate your story. So try to use some good words like that. Based on the picture shown to us, I would like to share my story, to narrate your story. We can't found a common story or theme without any discussion. After this, you have to make a common story. So don't try to make that. You have to discussion is there. You also say that GD is there. When many suggestions came on same story, that story became common story. And there can be no common story. It is not necessary that you will always make a common story like that. When a number of candidates on a particular theme gives more number of times than of other themes, that is considered as the common story, and anyone with ability may take initiative in speaking out the following words. You can speak like that. From the discussion so far, it appears that most of us given sensible suggestions on this theme, and this form our common story, and I would like to narrate the story. This is very good discussion. When it appears that most of the candidates have written and discussed story on similar topics, then use friends. From the discussion so far, it appears to be that most of us have written and discussed story on the theme of this. I therefore considered it our common story and summarize it and then say thank you. In next video, we will discuss about some key guidelines on this stage 1 test PP and DT. Thank you.